guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. We are so happy you found us. If you've come back for 1, 2, 3 or more times, I am especially happy to see you. You're what keeps the channel going, so share it with your friends, please. And before we get started, be sure and hit that subscribe button and that little bell. It really helps me to get subscribers. And I've noticed that like 65% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So come on guys, help me out. And also hit that thumbs up button because you're really going to enjoy this video. Now, what are we talking about today? Well, as you can see from the title, I'm sharing a secret. And the secret is where I find perfect paper dolls for journals and other crafts. So let me just share this with you real quick. It won't take long. And then when we're done, you can start cutting out these amazing dolls. Let's get started. Okay guys, the best place to find the best paper dolls. Are you ready? Junk mail catalogs. Doesn't have to be this company. It's not sponsored. Junk mail catalogs. They're the perfect size, and if you want modern paper dolls, or if you want paper dolls at all, because you know what? You can cut these ladies out and then change her dress. Cut a dress out from a different site and just put it on. And look, they come in all sizes. You can get bigger or smaller. They're beautiful paper dolls. You can get all you can get different seasons, you know, depending on what your catalog is for. You could get summer, winter, fall. You can get, you know, people that look totally different. A wide selection. Isn't that awesome? I'm so excited. But you might be saying, well, how do I switch their clothes? I mean, they have long sleeves on. Okay. Well, you know what? That's okay. Find something that has long sleeves that you want her to wear instead of what she's wearing. And change it. It's that simple. Or paint it. Draw on it. Don't be limited just by what she's wearing, because these are great sizes and great paper dolls to use. I bet they never thought about that when they put these catalogs together, that paper crafters would go, oh wow, the perfect paper dolls. And if you need tiny, tiny ones, they have tiny, tiny ones too. And all clothes catalogs are like this. It's an amazing source, guys, an amazing source. And I was going to show you something really cool. I think this is the best size for most of what I do, but I know some people like the really small and some people like the really large. So there is a good variety. There's also people with dark hair. Some catalogs have red hair, blonde hair. So you get a good representation of different hair colors. You get different ethnicities, different body builds. So you can find anybody you need in a junk mail clothes catalog. It's perfect. And it's free, right? Because it's just delivered. And what were you going to do with it? Recycle it. That's what I do. Okay, so I did want to show you something cute. And let me find the page. So I'm going to cut one of these girlies out and show you how you can spruce up her outfit. You know what? I don't even have to cut her out. What I'm going to do is just show you how you can spruce up the outfit. So say you want to cut this one out right here, but you think, oh, it's kind of plain. What can I do to spruce it up? Well, I've showed you to use lace. You can use a ribbon bead, you know, the beads. You can do that. Or you can get sparkly washi tape and use that. And look how easy this is, okay? You just pick out whichever one that you want to change up. You just measure, because you can see her waist on there. You measure where her waist is. You put the belt on and then trim it off. Where did my scissors go? There we go. So these are, and how cute is that? So not only do you get a large selection, but they're easy to alter too. So this is my secret to great paper dolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was short, to the point, but you know, that's all there is. The best secret ever. Clothes catalogs in your junk mail. So thanks for being here today, guys. Be sure and give the video a thumbs up. And again, please hit that subscribe button and that little bell. A lot of great videos coming your way. See you next time. Bye.